Hey guys! In today's lesson, we will learn a very easy verb that will allow us to use all the vocabulary we already know. We will also learn months of the year and places that we go and visit. Let's start with the verb to go. This is a regular verb and very easy. Please repeat after me. I go. You go. She goes. He goes. We go. You go. They go. Remember in our last lesson we learned days of the week? Well, thanks to this verb, we will be able to form sentences. For example, my favorite day of the week is Friday because I see my friends and we go to the movies. Did you understand what I said? Not that hard, right? All you need to know is the verb to go and some other words like friends, movies, and days of the week. Now, let's learn about places. That way, we can form our own sentences. Park, mall, movies, museum, coffee shop, school, beach. Now, let's form some sentences. On Sunday, I go to church. Every Saturday, I see my friends and we go to the beach. I go to the mall with my friends. Today, we will also learn how to pronounce the months of the year. Please repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The main idea is that we will be able to form sentences using this vocabulary. For example, my French teacher goes to France in July. I go to Argentina in December. We will also be able to say when it's our birthday, and we can add that to our presentation. For example, I would say, hello, I'm Gala. I live in Miami and I go to an international school. My favorite day of the week is Friday because I see my friends and we go to the mall. During the summer, I go to the beach every day. My birthday is in March. When is yours? I know. This is a lot of information for just one lesson. But remember, you can re-watch this video as many times as you need. And you can download this lesson for free on my website at justateenager.com or in the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye!